To be the highest total chase down in this tournament if India managed to overhaul the massive Pakistan total of 338. If any team can do it, India can. They have an incredibly
back spasms, but he passed a fitness test yesterday and he's raring to go from that pavilion end. Will he swing this new ball? We haven't seen much of it. Sharma on strike. Nervy push at the first delivery. Oh, close, that's come back in. Given! That's an absolute perler. Will Sharma review it? I reckon. A duck for Rohit Sharma in the final. It's 0 for 1. It's all dropped. Not a man you want to drop. Everything was perfect apart from that. Regulation off the shoulder, catch it someone. In the air, gone! Not that important, he's gone the next ball. Brilliant from Amir. Pakistan cricket.
Important catch in this match. Virat Kohli dismissed for
bouncer pulled away, one bounce, they needed that boundary, they've got it. Slower ball, driven on the up. The outfield's quick. Is it quick enough? Yes. Top edge, that'll go away for 4. Hurried in for pace. Whiff and punished.
Cracking shot, gets it past the inner ring. Working fantastically for Mohammad.
Shikadalwan departs with 21. India reeling, 33 for 3.
Oh, he's so good against spin. This may just backfire for Pakistan. Another shot down the ground. It's a 4. This clearly is misfired. This Pat first, then the bat. Gone for the appeal. Safraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review. So the case here to study for the third umpire is Pat first.
Thank you, that's fair delivery. Can we go to front on, please? Now we've got to decide whether it's hit pad first. Certainly looks like it has. Can you go to hot spot, please? Yeah, definitely pad first. I'm happy to go straight to ball tracking there, thank you. There it is, ball tracking coming up now, Richard. Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. So we're overturning a decision. You're on camera now, Richard.
Incredible. What a wicket. Just so far in this contest, it's Yuvraj Singh, the latest exit. Pull shot, catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. For 4, it's 54 for the loss of 5.
The energy with the ball, what a shot that is. That'll be 4. Just the energy and everything they've brought. That's what.
Oh, this one's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. The captain's called for it and takes it with the big hands. 6 wicket gone.
For Pakistan, and unfortunately for India, they lose their 6th wicket. Yadav's gone for 9.
Yeah, hard to believe that's the score. The team like India on a pitch like this. Heck. Oh, interesting shot that from Hardik Pandya. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. Hit by more than enough. It's gone in the 2nd tier.
It's hit through the onside, and that's gone miles into the stands. He's a very powerful hitter, Hardik Pandya. This time through mid-wicket. It'll go over mid-on. Another 6 for Hardik Pandya. Got rid of all 3 of them. Chance of a run-out, both at the same end. And Hardik Pandya has to go. 76. They haven't missed much, Pakistan. Outside edge. Hassan strikes again. India now 9 for 156.
That's gone up to India. Sarfraz takes the catch. It's all over. Pakistan win. 158 India blown away in the final, and it's Pakistan who are through. Over the line, massive win. Great scenes. And after a very long break, they were able to beat India in an all-important contest. They richly deserved this. They were the better side on the day. Brilliant with the bat and exquisite with the ball. And Sarfraz, what a leader they've got.
A team that has in the past underperformed in major